Hey guys, welcome back to the Matt Swine Backyard Barbecue, where this is just a little experiment video that I wanted to share with you guys. This weekend, I wanted to see if I can butterfly open a tri-tip and then roll up some ingredients the way most people do with skirt steak. So this is my stuffed tri-tip, my stuffed experiment on a tri-tip, and this is how it went. So butterflied open the tri-tip, hit it with some cream cheese, then I put some roasted bell peppers on top of that, and then baby spinach. Rolled it up like a fatty, and then went ahead and used butcher twine, as you see there. Seasoned it all up. It was actually seasoned before as well, and I threw it on the kettle. And prior to putting it on the direct side, I was in indirect zone for about half an hour with a little bit of smoke, a little bit of hickory, and this is just, you know, a little experiment. Didn't know how it was gonna come out, and I was very worried that we were gonna overcook the tri-tip because now it's butterflied and it's thin. But hey, it did not get overcooked. It tasted great, loved it. So I'm gonna have to refine the method a little better and then make a video showing you guys exactly how I did that. So as you can see, not too shabby, not bad at all. I love the sear that it got on the outside, and most of all, I love the doneness on the inside. Yeah.